Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to remove a president from office, with a special eye on what might happen in 2025. Whether you're a politics enthusiast or just curious about how our democracy works, this is essential knowledge. Let's jump right in. First off, the most common way to remove a president is through impeachment. This process starts in the House of Representatives. If they believe the president has committed high crimes and misdemeanors, like abuse of power or obstruction of justice, they can vote to impeach. It's like a formal accusation. Once impeached, the case goes to the Senate for a trial. The Senate acts as the jury, and if 2/3 of them vote to convict, the president is removed from office. We saw this with presidents like Nixon, who resigned before it could happen, and more recently with Trump. Another key method is the 25th Amendment. This one's for situations where the president is unable to perform their duties due to illness, injury, or mental incapacity. It's invoked by the vice president and a majority of the cabinet. They can declare the president unfit, and the vice president steps in as acting president. This isn't about political disagreements, it's about protecting the country if the leader can't function. For example, it was discussed during President Reagan's later years. But wait, there's more. Presidents can also leave office voluntarily through resignation, like Nixon did, or simply by losing an election and serving out their term. In 2025, with potential elections on the horizon, understanding these mechanisms is crucial for keeping our government accountable. Now, it's worth noting that removing a president is a serious step and requires bipartisan support in many cases. It's designed to be difficult to prevent abuse, but it ensures checks and balances. If you're interested in diving deeper, check out resources from reliable sources like the Constitution Center. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand the process, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your take on presidential accountability? See you next time.